Quizzes may sound dull and boring, but what if I tell you it can be one of your most secret weapon for generating leads? Not just leads, you can pre-qualified leads using quizzes. You may be SEO consultant, you may be a health coach, or you may be a real estate agent. You can use quiz for many different purposes just to pre-qualify your leads. So instead of having a random visitor, you will be getting pre-qualified leads by using the quiz. And one of the primary purpose of using quiz is for educational institute, for coherent courses, for online courses where they create quiz to test the knowledge of the students or to test the knowledge of the course taker. So in this video we will check out how you can create a effective quiz inside FormNX. Also we will be discussing some of the tips and tricks what you can use to create a much more better quiz inside FormNX. So let us get started. So to create a quiz, just go to formnx.com and create an account. Once you have created an account, just go to the login and log in with your account. Once you have logged in, just go to the list of forms, and here you will be seeing all the forms which you created inside the FormNX account. Let us click on this new form and create a new form which we will be using for the quiz test quiz. You can add any relevant name here and click on this create form. Once you are inside this builder, just go to the settings, quiz mode, and enable this quiz mode. Once you have enabled this quiz mode, it will show you many different options which we will be looking into later. What are all uses of this option. Once you have enabled this quiz mode, it will help you to assign points, set answers, and also provide feedback based on correct and incorrect answers. So go to the forms and let us add some of the questions here. Most of the questions are actually single choice or also called as the radio options. So I will drag and drop this radio field here and enter the question here. For this demo, I will be using question 1. You will be adding your real question here inside this field level and add different options. Just add multiple options here. Most of the times the options are limited to 4 options, but you can add as many as options. We recommend having 4 different options here, and you can also make this as required. Okay, once you have added the question and the options, go to the quiz tab here and is quiz question. Yes, this is a quiz question. So once you enable this one, it will ask you to add the points. For this question, I will set the points as 10 points. So each questions can have different points based on their difficulty or based on their relevancy for your use case. And also you can choose correct answer. I will be selecting option 2 as correct answer here. Add feedback for correct and incorrect answer. So this is an optional. You can either add this one or you can skip this one. But let us add this one. Good job. That's incorrect. Okay, so once we have created this question, you can add as many as question here by using the same steps which I demonstrated. Let us duplicate this question for our use case. I will make this one as question 2. I will make this one as question 3. So similarly, you can add as many as question here and save this form. So once you save this form, our quiz is completely ready here now, and we can do some more improvements to our quiz to make it much more better. So let us preview the quiz here. Okay, so here we filled out the form and it will show a thank you message here, and also it will show an option to view our scorecard. So in this scorecard, it will give us a complete details of our questions and whatever answer is given by us. So this is question 1, which I selected the wrong answer. The correct answer was option 2, and it is giving me some feedback here. So this feedback are very useful for educational purpose. You can add some feedbacks over here why this option is correct or why this option is incorrect. You can add some reasoning over here. So similarly, it is showing all the different correct and incorrect questions and their feedback, and in the end it will show me the total points obtained and what is my percentage. So let us improve our form. Let us go to the form builder once again and let us add some more fields over here. So we recommend having at least a name field and a email or a mobile number to contact the quiz taker. I will add all these details here and I will just drag and drop both of them to the bottom. Remove the prefix field. You can keep the prefix field also, but for this demonstration let me remove this prefix field and make this one as 100%. I will make this as name, your name. Okay. Next, let us add an email field here, or you can also add mobile number, whatever is relevant to you. I will make this one as also required. Let me also add mobile number field, which is called as phone number field here. I will keep this one as optional here. So whenever someone takes the quiz, he will be also entering his name, email address and phone number. Okay, so let us save this form. So just a tip, like you can use ChatGPT to generate a much more relevant questions based on your requirement. So ChatGPT will help you to get the questions, and also it will help you to get all the different options, points. It will also help you to get all these details of correct answer and incorrect answer feedback in case you want them to be added. So that's how you will be creating the quiz, and in the end we will be entering the name, email address and phone number. Okay, now let us preview the quiz once again. Here you are seeing all the details here. So currently it's showing all the quiz questions at once, which is a very poor experience to the user. So to improve the user experience, let us add a line break after each of the questions. We also call this one as page break here. We will add a page break after each of the questions. I will drag and drop this one here. We will add another page break. Drag and drop this one here. Page break here once again. Also let us, in the end, let us keep your name, email and phone number in the one page. I will save this form and refresh the form once again. So now you can see it is showing me one question per page, which is a very good experience to the user. They will not get overwhelmed of all the questions getting displayed at once. Let us go to the form design and let us make this one as vertical position as center and save this form. Refresh the form once again, so now it's showing in the center. Let us add a welcome screen to the user. So they will be seeing a welcome screen. They will be seeing some details related to this quiz. What is this quiz all about? For this we have to add a HTML text field over here. And inside this HTML text field, welcome to this quiz. Test your knowledge by taking this quiz. Also you can use all the tools in the top, like let us improve the font size, increase the font size, let us change the color to yellow here, let us change this one to something better, bold. You can use whatever formatting you need. Also you can insert some images over here. Let me add some images here. You can add any image from your media. Also you can search from Unsplash any of the images here, right? Let us add a page divider once again. Page divider at the end of this welcome screen. Okay, now our form is completely ready. Let us make this one as center aligned so it looks better. Okay, welcome to the quiz. Test your knowledge by taking your quiz. You can add any relevant welcome message over here which will be displayed to the user. Save this one, refresh this one once again. So welcome to the quiz. Test your knowledge by taking your quiz. Next. So now it's much more better. It's looking much more better, right? Also, let us add some more details here. Let us go to the logo. You can add your logo here and all those details here, right? So let us come back to the quiz. What more settings we can do related to the quiz? So go to the settings tab, and here you are seeing different options like show score. Two options we have: immediately after each submissions or later. When we click on letter in the thank you page, it will not display them an option to view their scorecard. But if we click on immediately after each submission, they will be seeing in the thank you page, they will be seeing the complete scorecard of, they will be seeing a link which contains all the complete scorecard of them. Let us keep it as letter for now. And here we can also add some grading system. So it is showing us total quiz points is 13. We have added 3 questions. Each of them has 10 points. Let us make this one as 20 points. We go to the settings. Here it is showing total points as 40. And here we can add different grades. Like if suppose someone is getting from 0 to 10 poor performance. This is poor performance. You can add any relevant remarks over here. Let me add from 10 to 30 good remarks. Okay, so let me add once again from 30 to 40. Excellent. You can add more remarks over here and save this form. So our form is completely ready now, but we can design it much more better by going to the form design tab and setting some of the page background color. Let me make the background color as blue here. Save this form, and here you can see like we have a proper form here. Click on next. Option 1, option 3. So one of the plus point of using this is whenever someone clicks on any of these options, it will directly go to the next question. So they don't have to click on the next button to scroll to the next question. Here they will be entering your name. I will be entering as Nikhil. Support @ FormNX.com. Here I will be entering my phone number and click on submit. So when I click on submit, we disable the showing of scorecard, because of which it is not showing us the scorecard here in the thank you page. But we can improve it much more better. Let us say like we want to email them the scorecard, but we want to collect their email address. So what we can do is go to the forms, and inside this email tab, enter your email to get the scorecard. So instead of displaying the scorecard in the thank you page, we will be emailing them. So whenever someone sees like they will be getting the scorecard in their email, they will be entering their actual email address. And let us go to the email settings, and here we will be enabling auto response setting. Enable this auto response setting. Email will be getting signed to this email field. Subject is, we have a predefined subject here, but you can change all this subject. We have a predefined body here, but let us change it. Your scorecard is here. I will be entering the name here, your name. Okay. Scorecard, and here we have options related to quiz questions. Quiz total point, total points obtained, total percentage, quiz grade remarks, quiz scorecard. Let us add the scorecard here. You can also add some more details related to quiz in the email address, like what is their grade, what is their grade remarks, percentage obtained, and all these details over here. For this demonstration purpose, let us only add the scorecard link here and save this form, preview the form here. So now you can see whenever someone submits an email, support @FormNX.com, submit. Okay, and whenever someone submits the form, they will be getting email which will have all these details here. Your scorecard is here. Scorecard link will be present in the email which they will be getting. So this is how you can completely set up the complete quiz mode inside FormNX. Let us go to the list of submissions. Inside this list of submissions, I will be seeing all the submissions submitted on what is their point and all these details here. If I view this here also, I will be seeing what is the option which they selected and if it's correct or incorrect and all these details here. If we go to the submissions report, inside the submission report there is an additional report present just for the quiz mode, like it's called as insight, and here it will be showing the average, what is the average of all the quiz, average marks obtained by all the quiz taker, what is the median, what is the range here. So also it will be showing like how many respondents got 10 marks, how many respondents got 20 marks and all these details here. Also it will be showing all the details here. Question 1, how many people selected the option 1, how many selected option 2. So all the details breakdown will be shown inside this submission report. So which is a very useful in case you are in educational field or any field. You can use this information to get a much more better understanding of your relevant audience. So that's all inside this quiz mode. I hope you find this quiz mode very useful, and in case you have any more questions, just contact our support. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comments also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.